et j'ai vu rouge. Bon, on va jouer carte sur table. They saw red and played cards on the table. Why is French so cryptic? Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassie, your French tutor, so you can discover France the French way. And now is the perfect time to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are ready to learn real spoken French. Sometimes you understand all the words in the sentence individually, but put together as a whole, you don't understand a word. Like, why are they put together? Well, that's probably because the people you're talking to are using des expressions. And today I'm teaching you 10 of the most important ones. And at the end, I'm gonna test what you've learned. You'll also find a free PDF in the description with 10 more expressions. Alors t'es prêt? On y va. Prendre le taureau par les cornes. Prendre le taureau par les cornes. So, picture a bull, the animal, and you hold the horns. And that's it. So it means that you need to tackle a problem head on, okay? You really have to face it. Okay, you need to find a solution. You stop avoiding it, you stop delaying thinking about it or whatever, you face it. Now is the time. Tu prends le taureau par les cornes. C'est bon, on appelle un plombier?
Bah non, on va prendre le taureau par les cornes et s'en occuper nous-mêmes.
Et quand on inonde l'appart, on fait quoi? Avoir la main verte. Avoir la main verte. It means your hand is green. Or in my case, it is not. J'ai pas la main verte. So, green, vert, relates to les plantes. So it means that you're good at gardening. Easy. And of course, if it is negative, je n'ai pas la main verte, it means I'm pretty bad at it. Elle fait la gueule ta plante, non? Ouais, je sais, mais j'arrive pas à garder mes plantes en vie. T'as vraiment pas la main verte. Still about colors, voir rouge. Il a vu rouge. Rouge, here is the color of anger. So if you saw red, it means like, picture it. A character is getting very, very angry. Imagine in a comic book or a cartoon. The eyes turn red. It's because they're so angry. That's what's happening here. La vue rouge, like blinded by anger. Or at least they were a filter, not blinded exactly. Il t'a dit ça? Mais je te jure, et j'ai vu rouge. Et qu'est-ce que t'as répondu? Okay, it was not on purpose, but apparently I just gathered all the expressions with colors together. Donner le feu vert. Donner le feu vert. So vert, again, green, now we know. Donner le feu vert, imagine it is the green light, like the traffic lights. So when it is green, it means you can go. So that means that you have permission to do something or say something. You can go. Alors, t'as pris une décision pour le dossier de Mélanie? Ouais, vas-y, dis-lui qu'elle a le feu vert. T'es sûre? Tomber dans les pommes. This one, I'm pretty sure you've heard about it because it is so famous for some reason. Tomber dans les pommes. So, to fall on the apples or into the apples. It means somebody's fainting. Dis, elle est où Margot? Bah, par terre. Elle est tombée dans les pommes. Y aller par 4 chemins. Y aller par 4 chemins. So it means that you go by 4 different ways. For some reason. Which is not a good idea if you need to go somewhere. You're at point A, you need to reach point B. If you take 4 different ways, your journey will be long, right? So it is mostly a sentence that we use in the negative form, ne pas y aller par 4 chemins. It means you call things as they are, you're super direct, not sugarcoating it, you just go. Just like French people. We just say things. Which may seem rude. Sometimes. A lot. But yeah, on n'y va pas par 4 chemins. Like, you just take one way and you follow it. And it's the easiest way to reach your destination. Alors, tu penses quoi de ma tenue? Bah, je vais pas y aller par 4 chemins, tu fais clown. Ah bah ok. Ne pas être dans son assiette. L'assiette is the plate. You eat in it. L'assiette. But ne pas être dans son assiette technically means you're not in it. Doesn't really make sense. Especially when I will tell you what it means. It means you're not feeling very well. You're a bit sick. You don't feel really good. Tu n'es pas dans ton assiette. Pourquoi tu veux pas manger? T'as l'air bizarre. Je me sens pas dans mon assiette. Je crois que j'ai un rhume. Ah ok, repose-toi bien. Jouer carte sur table. Donc, les cartes, cards. Une carte can be a map, but here it's really like the cards which you play. So imagine you're playing poker, okay? When you reveal your cards, like you reveal the truth. Donc jouer carte sur table, it means being very honest. Bon, on va jouer carte sur table, je veux 70% des bénéfices. 70%? Mais tu rêves. Je pensais plus à 50-50. Ok, bah 80% alors. Tu vas pas dans le bon sens là. Se creuser la tête. So you dig into your head. Don't do that. Not literally. Et donc se creuser la tête. What it means, like imagine. You're thinking, but it's difficult. So you rack your brain. That's what it means. And you're like, scratching, until you actually dig a hole in your brain or in your head. So that's what it means. It's just that image. Je comprends vraiment rien de ce qui est écrit. Ça fait 10 minutes que je me creuse la tête et vraiment je comprends pas ce qui va pas. Oh! One that I personally really like, for some reason, I don't know, is ça casse pas 3 pattes à un canard. Ça casse pas 3 pattes à un canard. So, un canard, it is a duck. Okay? Quack, quack. Best imitation. So you have your duck. And the expression says, it doesn't break 3 legs of the duck. But a duck doesn't have 3 legs, only has 2. So if it would break 3 legs of a duck, that would be exceptional, right? But here it doesn't, so it's not exceptional. That's all it means. It is not exceptional. You saw a movie, you said, ça casse pas 3 pattes à un canard, means it wasn't that good. Alors, t'en penses quoi de mon plat? Bah c'est bon, mais ça casse pas 3 pattes à un canard. Ouch! Ok, bah la prochaine fois, c'est toi qui cuisines. Okay, time for a quiz. So you need to be brutally honest with a friend. I don't know, you can imagine that they're thinking about going back to their ex and it's a very bad idea. So you need to tell them, okay? Like that. You're a true friend. And you're gonna sing French for that one because, yeah, you're gonna tell the truth. So how do you introduce what you're going to say? Do you say, je vais tomber dans les pommes? Do you say, je vais pas y aller par 4 chemins? Or, tu vas avoir la main verte. Which one is it? You tell me in the comments. I'm not gonna give you the answer just yet. And don't forget the free PDF in the description if you want to have more expressions that are truly used in French, like not crazy things you can see on the internet. I saw a few of them and I've never heard them before. So the one I'm giving you, yeah, they are used on a daily basis. Or at least they are common. And you can also give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you've learned. And next, if you want to learn more vocabulary and especially the most common words of the French language, I recommend you watch this video next. Donc à la semaine prochaine, salut!